Okay, this time we're going into the creative category and do the stack it problem. And the goal is to stack 16 boxes like so. These boxes are also called voxels. And so, we'll write a Python program that will stack the boxes, like this. Voxels are 3D boxes, the equivalent of pixels in 2D space. So, here are the codes. The first 4 lines are the overhead administrative codes, like all the other Python scripts that we saw in previous videos. This first line imports everything from the PyJob module. The asterisk means import everything. This next line connects the Python script to the sim environment, so that you can control it with the scripts. This line assigns a variable env to the simulation environment, so that it is easier for reference later, for resetting or controlling. This next line resets the program to initial state. These 2 lines works together like this. This first one finds the stacker tool, and there are many different tools, such as a spin tool, a jump tool, etc. But, we want a stacker tool. The next step after finding the stacker tool is to get the first one found, and assign it the name builder, so we can use it later in the program. Now we come to the main part of the program. Here, we set up the for loop, running from 0 to 15, that's looping 16 times, to build 16 boxes. And we want to stack the boxes in alternate colors. So, the color is set to green if the count divided by 2 is even, otherwise it is set to red color. That is why we have count modulo 2 equals 0, which implies that count is even. This expression, count %2 equals 0, is called count modulo 2 equals 0. This checks whether the number count is divisible by 2. If it is divisible, then count is an even number. If it is not divisible, then it's an odd number. This way, we can determine whether the variable count is even or odd. The reason we care about even and odd numbers is that we want the even count to be red color box, and the odd count to be green box. So that's how we set it up. This next line, we start to stack up the boxes, or voxels, by using the build object, with build voxel method. As you recall, the build voxel is a method, within the build object. And, these numbers indicates the position of the box, x, y, and z positions. And count occupies the vertical z position. And this color variable will change to green or red, according to each even or odd iteration. This next line is just to delay stacking the box at each iteration, so that it doesn't build too fast. You can adjust the speed by putting 1, 2, or 3, it's up to you. Finally, this disconnects the program. Well, that's it. Here's how it runs. Hope you like it. See ya.